Hello and welcome. Today we'd like to offer our viewers a unique and special opportunity to win one of 4 Dribbble invitations, but that's not everything. We'll also be giving away, for free, a $45 worth Udemy course on Android and iOS app development for each selected person. For those of you who don't know what Dribbble is the most renowned global community for graphic designers, illustrators, and creative professionals. The platform allows its users to share their work and current projects. It's also a great place for everyone who's looking for inspiration, feedback, and passionate community or self-improvement. Dribbble has helped companies like Apple, Facebook, and Google find some of the best design experts. In order to be eligible to take part in our contest, you need to send us your best project design or link to your portfolio to the email address provided in the description using the title Dribbble Contest. Another thing you need to do is to describe why you'd like to get this invitation. And finally, you also need to add your Dribbble username to the message. The results will be published under a link to our Dribbble account. You can find it in the description below. Thank you for your time, and please consider subscribing to our YouTube and Dribbble channels if you like what we're doing and want to stay up to date with our latest projects. Who knows? Maybe you will get lucky and become another Dribbble player and get a free Udemy course on top of that. Have a great day.